Checking up on our financial situation may seem like something can wait while we're young. Oftentimes, many adults do not exert much effort to learn how to invest wisely. This is usually because they are preoccupied with what's happening in the present rather than the future. Always remember that money is an energy and it needs to be respected. The rules of money should be known and understood. This may aid in more prosperity in your life. Welcome to the Building Legacy channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will explore the 12 golden rules of money to help you get your finances in order and make lifelong healthy financial decisions. The first rule to get you started is number 1. Saving and investing. There's no perfect age in saving for the future, and in fact, the longer you save, the more compound interest may work in your favor. Also, we do not live in a world where each day is just taken lightly. Unprecedented financial emergencies might occur anytime wherein money is significant and necessary for survival. Savings and investments are interconnected, and it's necessary to give them importance to have more control of your life. Number 2. The peace of having an organized financial life. Keeping track of your finances can avoid unfortunate events such as a cash shortage, late fees from not paying your bills on time, and overdraft costs resulting from failing to check your account balance. One tip would be creating a checklist detailing all expected invoices. You can keep it in your desk or list in a budgeting application. Creating a to-do list essentially helps you focus. It's also satisfying to knock off some bullets in the list, isn't it? Number 3. Better to save than borrow. It's annoying to wait until you can buy something completely just because your financial situation does not allow you to take on more debt. However, there's benefit in postponing a large purchase until you have the cash. Saving is often the best option, except in an emergency. Saving to buy a home, for instance, is an investment that is likely to be repaid in the future. But borrowing to fund an excessive lifestyle comes with consequences. Make sure to have a plan on how to repay that debt in the event of an unexpected event such as a job loss or salary reduction. Number 4. Stay out of debt. Staying out of debt is challenging, especially if you have family responsibilities. Checking your bank account or wallet and realizing you don't have enough for the week, let alone the month, is scary. You find yourself choosing which bills to pay, the water bill or the credit card. From time to time, you may feel overwhelmed by how much debt you have and be clueless on where to start the debt elimination. Start focusing on the must-haves such as food, shelter, transportation, healthcare, and other essential items. With a little financial management and a disciplined use of money, whatever money is remaining after the essentials can be used towards other debts. Exploring ways of minimizing expenses is a great way to manage spending and avoid debt. Take inventory of all your monthly expenses, call creditors to see if you can get a lower payment, and shop around for lower prices. Living debt-free is an attainable goal for everyone. Number 5. Knowing your financial goals. Do you work hard every day but still feel like you're not making progress in your finances or career? Here's when financial goals can come to the rescue. If you don't set a specific objective in a particular time, you will always feel like you're spinning your wheels. Setting goals shouldn't be hard. You can have short-term goals such as saving $500 in a month and long-term goals like investing for a house. Understanding the fundamentals of money such as budgeting, taxation, and investments is critical. More importantly, financial goals, like any other goal, should be in line with your long-term plan and bring you closer to your ideal future. Number 6. Set up an emergency fund. An emergency fund permits you to live comfortably if you leave a job or if you get laid off. This fund can also cover medical expenses or much-needed car repairs. You are forced to spend money that would ordinarily cover your living needs if you don't have an emergency fund. In short, it eliminates the need for high-interest debt or the use of one's retirement money by doing so. While you can never really prepare for an unfortunate emergency, establishing an emergency fund ahead of time is the greatest approach to assure you'll be ready for anything. Number 7. The 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 budget plan is a popular American money concept that aims to help you save and budget wisely. It states that your income after tax should be divided into 3 categories: 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt repayment or emergency savings. This format is intended to assist people in managing their debts and setting aside money for emergencies and retirement. Life should be fun, and having a financial plan can help you cover your bills, prepare for retirement, and do the things that make you enjoy life. Number 8. Distinguish between wants and needs. It's important to remember that the primary distinction between needs and wants is their importance to our survival. It becomes even more important in difficult times like the current economic downturn. Prioritizing needs over wants brings stability, health, and safety to our lives. Meanwhile, our wants change over time as a result of factors such as financial level, social surroundings, experiences, marketing, and even the opinions of the community. If you manage your spending wisely, you can have a budget for wants while still setting money aside for emergencies. Number 9. The wealthy mindset. Becoming wealthy doesn't need you to take dangerous risks because you can grow wealth gradually over time. Starting early allows your money to compound and expand dramatically. You'll be glad you took control of your financial state earlier when you have savings and investments to fund your dream lifestyle in the future. Number 10. Avoid an expensive lifestyle. Financial responsibility is beneficial to both your physical health and your finances. Living within your means is one of the solutions. It states that your monthly spending must be less than or equal to your monthly income. It's far easier said than done, right? You're not alone in feeling this. Having credit cards, loans, and savings tempts you to purchase more items than your regular salary would allow. Sadly, that lifestyle isn't sustainable, and reckless spending has its consequences. Learning to live within your means will save you money and give you the peace of mind that comes with financial independence. Number 11. Pick a high-paying career. A job that you don't typically enjoy that pays well can eventually provide you with enough financial flexibility to allow you to follow your passions while maintaining all financial obligations. There is no doubt that having a high income provides security. Using this high-paying job to your advantage can lead you to starting your own business, creating your own hours, and spending more time with your family. The light at the end of the tunnel: freedom. Number 12. Always look forward to tomorrow. It's simple to picture a meaningless life. It is simple to avoid taking on any responsibility. However, you will gradually come to the realization that you could have made an incredible life with all the opportunities you had at your disposal. Setting future goals can help you live a more meaningful life, and set attainable financial goals to improve your level of living. Money is the most crucial resource for living a healthy and prosperous life, but it pales in comparison to the value of connection. It gives us everything. However, it shouldn't be the core driver of the belief that having more money will lead to greater happiness. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.